Oh, I got tennis racketed.
Out.
Oh my gosh! Oh, I got knocked. Oh shoot.
What hit me? What hit me? A speck of dust? Holy shit!
I have figured out how to throw! I figured out how to throw!
Fine.
Oh shit! No, Thomas, I'm sorry!
You gotta pull him out.
Oh, I'm knocked. I'm gone. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, we got it, bro.
Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go.
Oh my gosh! Damn!
Dude.
Oh!
Oh, damn. Yeah, just still unfreeze. That's fun. That's chill. Okay, fuck that guy, dude. Fuck him in the ass. No, I'm personally gonna make sure he doesn't get back on this fucking boat.
Are you serious?
What? Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's chill.
Oh, I got knocked again! Damn! No! No! Dude, I can't swim! I'm out. Oh no! He knocked me so far away from the submarine.
Oh my gosh.
Hang on, Evan. Hang on, Evan.
Oh yeah, just lift me out. That's crazy work, dog. I can't lift him out like that.
Stay alive, Evan! Stay alive! Stay alive! Stay alive!
We won it.
Yes!
Let's fucking go, dude. Come on.
Oh, I got tased. What? Oh my gosh, I got yeeted! No way! That hatch just blew me!
Please, no, please, please.
No! No! I'm dead! The hatch just sent me skyrocketing. Is that it? Where's Thomas at? Oh no! We're all dead.
Oh, dude, died in the stupidest fucking way possible.
Oh no, I got knocked! I got knocked!
I think I just killed the penguin. No, he's still fucking alive somehow. Yeah, no, and I'm gonna be the one that dies.
Are you serious?
Dude, what? How? 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 Oh my god! Again!
Are you serious, bro?
Buckle down. Yes!
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh! No!
No! No!
No! No! No! No!
Oh,
He knocked
fuck
me
that
out.
one.
Damn!
Oh my god. Oh.
Got knocked out again.
How? He hit my toe and I'm knocked clean out. I fed it to you.
Got knocked out again. Damn, man.
Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Real clean. Real clean. Couldn't have been better than that.
Really? You dead, really? Yeah, I'm dead.
I killed the Harry Potter.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got fished. I got fished. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Me and Penguin are in a fight to the death. Me and Penguin dead.
Yeah, I just got fucking dude. How do you use your triceps in this game? I want to know how you use your fucking triceps. Cause I sure as hell can. Yeah, that's fucking awesome, man. That's fucking awesome, dude. That's
Lock
so
in, dog.
great.
Lock in, lock in.
Yeah. Oh yes! That bomb was perfect!
Oh
That was a perfect
my
bomb!
gosh.
That was a perfect bomb!
my
Wow.
shit, man.
That was a perfect bomb.
Y'all are poop.